Dear students, welcome to all of you. As all of you knowing, in this present scenario, in situations of corona, we are facing great difficulty of gathering. Hence, it's advised by Education Director of Rajasthan. Decision taken is our college, Sir Tranglal Kothari Government College, Rashtraman. I would like to explain to all of you, online classes are going on. Topic of today class is advantages of international trade. In depth and detail I have explained on Google Meet class, and I would like to continue here to present my slides one by one. A few advantages are explained here. You can see the first advantages is specialization and division of labor. Second is availability of cheapness of commodities. Third advantage is large scale production. Fourth one is creation of industrial society. Fifth one is stabilization of internal prices. Similarly, sixth is availability of commodities whose cost of production are high. Seventh advantage is improvement in transport. Eighth advantage, sovereign remedy in times of war and famine. Ninth one is development of backward nations. Tenth advantage is reduces monopolistic exploitation. 11th, transfer of payment. 12th, national well-being. 13 advantages which is written here is changes in quality of labor and capital. 14, poor and backward nations can become rich and forward. Last but not least advantage of international trade, which one is facilitates debt payment. In such a manner, I have explained all advantages in deep and detail. I request all of you to be and try to attend online Google Meet class where I will explain in both medium, Hindi and English. So please be in time. Try to come every day at 10 o'clock, and you can also inform to your friends, your brothers and sisters, and all. Any student can come here and participate in online class. My students, thank you very much. All the best, all of you. Thank you again.